people on.
Cowboy dance.
What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. It is Storytelling Sunday, and today is actually Sunday while I'm recording this. I've got to be somewhere real quick, but I wanted to talk to you guys about a little bit about having faith and what it means and what you can do with it, what it enables you to do. And so this week, honestly, maybe I'm gonna set you right here. I've been trying to find a good spot to put you. So this week has been pretty difficult for us here. You know, started off we were still in quarantine, and one of my boys isn't off quarantine until Tuesday. Tuesday's free to go, and so, you know, on top of that, like, it was just a rough week of having two kids all week doing schoolworks and trying to keep them on it, and then a third one on 2 of those days to do school. Man, I don't know how teachers do it, but I give them props, you know. I guess at school it's a little different. They don't have all their toys and all their cool stuff to play with and whatnot, but still, man, it's a tough job. And for all the parents out there that are homeschooling, well, remote learning, you call it, you guys are doing great. Don't worry, you're doing great. And so anyhow, we start off the week with I get a call, and well, I got laid off of my job, so no longer working, and officially on the unemployed list. Now that's a negative. And I kid you, right after that happened, right after that call, I get a call from a business here in town, and they go, "Hey, is this Trevor? We're looking to give away some Thanksgiving dinners, and we heard that you may want one. You may be in need for one." And honestly, I couldn't even talk to the lady. I was like dead silent, had no words to say. I'm like, yeah. Like, I couldn't get it out. So that negative happened, right? And boom, positive right there for it. So then I'm driving around town, right? Gotta do some stuff. Hit a curb, and here pop, I'm like, oh, you know, no big deal. It's just a curb. Wasn't terrible. 2 blocks later, the Dora, I could show you guys, I can move you over there in a second. Flat tire, completely popped the thing, like, just bad. And I'm like, dang it, man. You gotta be kidding me. So I'm already down. We're quarantined, and we've been quarantined for pretty much the past month. This entire month we've been quarantined, except for 2 days. 2 days of it we were free of it. And so I popped the tire, and immediately my thought is, oh crap. Great, this how do I make this a good thing? And as you guys will see later this week, I made a video on how to change your tire on the road safely and in a quick manner. I mean, I think I did it in about 10 minutes. Now, yeah, I know what I'm doing, but still, this video is going to help you guys out. So there's my positive to my tire popping. I was able to make a YouTube video right then, and I'm sorry for my voice in that video, because you can tell that I'm hurt. I'm really, really hurt and upset. And my voice definitely shows it in that video, so if you pay attention, you'll catch it. But I hope it helps you guys out. And that's the other thing. As soon as something else bad happens, like, you guys are there. You might not know it, but you're dropping comments on my videos. You're dropping a message in my my inbox. You know, you're hitting the thumbs up and you're helping me set new records on my views and my likes and all that stuff. And not to mention my subscribers. Guys, this year we've almost grown almost 200%. That is insane. It's because of you guys. You guys are amazing. And that alone makes me feel so much better. So thank you very much. Now, the other bad thing is the Corvette. She, well, you know the transmission is going bad. I suspected the harmonic bouncer is going bad, which you guys will actually see a video on tomorrow. And I found out what's really going wrong with it. I'm not going to tell you guys in this video because you got to watch the video later this week about it. Let me tell you, it's a good one. And I want to give a huge shout out to Tom and Dan's, Derek and Sarah. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. And while I'm thanking everybody for all those that have helped us right now, helped us in these times, and even if you've helped somebody else, thank you so much for having that ability, that power, that strength to give to somebody in need. And you know, honestly, right now I almost have December covered on bills and everything. Not totally sure how January is going to work out, but here's the thing: we put our faith in the Lord, and He will provide, just as He has this entire year for us. So we will make it through 2020, and thanks to some more of you amazing people, my boys now have Christmas. Because Christmas coming up, I got a birthday coming up. Cohen's gonna be 4. He's gonna be 4 years old, and his birthday's coming up. And I feel terrible because I can't get him anything. I can't get anybody anything. I can't even go out to eat. When I go out to eat, I'm thankful for my friends that are like, man, I know you're going through a rough time. Let me buy you some food. Because I'll go there and I'll just order water, because here's the thing, water is free. And I can come home and I can eat because we have some groceries. Yeah, it's not going out to eat, it's not the same, but man, there's with all the negative, there's a positive to find, and you just have to have that mindset to find it. And I'm telling you guys right now, once you get to this place where I'm at, having that faith in the Lord and being able to take a negative, just like the popping my tire on the Dora, and turning it into a positive, maybe not instantly, but in a couple minutes, hours, maybe even a day. I don't know, there's nothing like it. I wish I could explain it, but you guys just have to experience yourself to believe me. And honestly, some people I don't even think are gonna believe this video, that this is how my week has gone. It's been bad, positive, bad, positive, bad, positive, bad, positive. I went to the doctor. I got a positive there. I'm like, cool, this is good news. I get a call from the next doctor. Says, sorry, we can't do it. Man, I honestly devastated. Boom, my phone got full again. I forgot to delete the last video. Whoops. So, the next morning though, after hitting that negative, I kid you not, 8 o'clock sharp, get a call. Another positive. And I just, man, I don't know. I wish that I could just take this camera and put it in my head and let you guys see everything. And that's what I try to do. I try to be as real as I can, and yeah, I have to cover some things up for, you know, privacy, for safety, for liabilities and all that jazz. But man, if I'm able to be real with all of you guys and help you guys through hard times or even good times, even if I'm just slight little motivation and for you and the laugh, that, let me know. Drop those in the comments, because that stuff is so uplifting to me. And that's honestly, if I could pay my bills with being uplifting for everybody, oh dude, your guys' bills would be paid. I'm just saying, like, honestly, there's no better feeling than being down this low and having people help you get up here. And you guys are my support circle. Recently, I've been told, you know, you need to work on your circle. You need to get it better. Well, thing is, my circle is not just confined to my small town, to my family, to my friends, to people that I know in person. We gotta let this truck go by. I think it's the neighbor. Got him a nice diesel. But I have all of you guys. I haven't even met probably half of you. And here's the thing. If you guys are commenting on my stuff or anything, Instagram, Facebook, any of my socials, the YouTube videos, I know you guys. I know you guys, and it's amazing. And so, I'm not sure what that was all about, but this is, I don't know, one of the harder storytelling Sundays to make, because I myself am having a hard time with realizing that in every negative there is a positive. And I watched Amber Smith. She's on The Smiths, Granger Smith's wife. I watched her Arise with Amber from last Sunday, yesterday, and she talks about how do you get your kids to lean on God? How do you help them lean on God and have faith? And let me tell you, I didn't watch that video until yesterday, and last week I learned how to do that. I learned how to do that. And the way that we do that is through our actions. We show our kids the ways to do it. And here's the thing. Every day, I'm not kidding you guys, every day last week, I cried every night after those boys went to bed, and I prayed, and I prayed, and I prayed, and I prayed for all of you. You don't have to ask me to pray for you. I did it for you. I did it. And right now I'm tearing up because I'm so thankful that I'm able to do this. You're gonna have to give me a minute. Oh. You know, it feels great to be out here in the sun today. God's blessed us with another day. And man, I'm not kidding you guys. I never wanted to upload a video where I'm crying, but these are tears of joy. I'm so overwhelmed with the fact that you can believe in somebody and they pull through for you. And so, with that being said, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off and wish you guys a great week, because you guys deserve a wonderful week and a happy Thanksgiving. And if you guys are in any need, just like me, please drop those messages. If you're going through a tough time, if your girlfriend broke up, if your boyfriend broke up, if you're going through relationship stuff, family member passed away, anything, your car broke down, let me know. Let me know. I might not have funds to help provide you with, but what I can do is I can help brighten your day. I can help bring you up. And man, I told you guys this was gonna be hard. I told you. So we'll go ahead and end it there. If you guys like this video, please smash that thumbs up video. I can't even talk now. Smash that thumbs up. Like I just did a rip. Smash that subscribe button. And as always, drop those comments down below. Let me know what you guys are going through. Let me know if there's anything I can help with. Let me be uplifting to you. let me pay you guys back the way you guys have helped me. And I feel like I don't say it enough, but thank you. I really appreciate each and every one of you, because you guys are making this possible. Here's my donut. Let me turn on the light. I mean, you know, it is what it is, guys. And I can't thank you enough, so I'm done saying, I'm done now. I'm gonna dry off my tears, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Please share this video and any other videos that are your favorites. If there's a video that is your favorite, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your circle. Help us grow to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. We're only 727 subscribers away. I know it's way out there, but we've already grown 200%. Why not? What would it be, like 900 or something? I don't even know. 1,000%. Let's do it. You guys can help me. Let's go. Have a great one, guys.